In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for budgeting and expense tracking. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Trello is a fantastic tool for keeping track of your budget and expenses thanks to its flexible board system and useful power-ups. One of the first things you'll want to do is add the budgeting power-up to your Trello board. To do this, open your Trello board and look for the Power-Ups button in the board menu. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Add Power-Ups. This will take you to a search bar where you can type in Colorful Budget. Once you find it, click Add to integrate it into your board. It's that simple. Now that you've got your Power-Up set up, let's organize your budget categories. This step is crucial because it allows you to see where your money is going at a glance. To add a category, click on Add Category. Here, you'll want to provide a clear and specific name such as groceries, rent, or entertainment. Also, choose a specific color for each category. This color coding helps you visually differentiate between different types of expenses, making it easier to navigate your budget. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Create to finalize the category. There may be a prompt asking you to grant permissions for the power-up to function. Just click Allow. Next, we'll talk about setting your financial goals. This feature is helpful for keeping your spending and savings on track. Within the Power-Up settings, you can find the Goals option. Click on that to get started. Here, you can set specific spending and funding targets. For instance, you might want to aim for a certain amount saved for each category. Don't forget, you can also add labels to these categories. This allows you to prioritize or specify the type of goal you have in mind. It's a great way to make your budgeting even more effective. Finally, let's get into recording your expenses. This is where the real tracking happens. To create a new entry for a transaction, simply click Add a Card. Name your card according to the specific purchase, like bread or monthly rent. Once the card is created, click on it to enter more details. You'll want to put the specific expense amount for that purchase in here. After you've filled that in, close the card menu. What's great about Trello is that it will automatically update your budgeting overview and reflect the expense right on your board. And that's it. You've successfully set up a dynamic budgeting system using Trello. With the categories organized, financial goals set, and expenses recorded, you're well on your way to better managing your budget. Remember that the visualization tools provided by Trello make it much easier to see where your money is going, helping you make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more tips on using Trello and other financial management tools. Happy budgeting!